Toned muscles, great for use in any fitness class or program to tone muscles, including cardio for higher intensity. Non-slip grip. Colorful neoprene coating ensures a non-slip grip and provides protection against calluses. Variety. Comes in wide range of color-coded weights for gradual progression, ideal for at-home workout programs. No rolling. Hexagonal shape prevents rolling when setting them down to stay in place for a safe workout environment. Convenient. A range of dumbbells help maintain fitness without a gym, and the compact size stores easily. Top reviews from the United States. Just like the photo 4-pound weights. Color as expected. Like the green color. However, one weight is 4 pounds, 2.6 ounces, the other is 4 pounds, 2.9 ounces. Sure, glad precision isn't that important for me. They also took 1 day longer to arrive than originally predicted. Seemed to be some sort of computer glitch at Amazon, since their website said it was going to arrive, but it hadn't shown it had actually shipped. As for value, they're about the same as everyone else price-wise, but $26 still seems pricey to me. Anyway, I'm happy with them.